The first state capture trial is probing the awarding of a contract to conduct a rural development feasibility study in the Free State. The study was the precursor to the failed Estina Dairy Farm project, where money meant for poor farmers was stolen. The fraud-related trial involving Gupta associates and 3 former senior Free State officials has adjourned until tomorrow. Today, defence lawyer Mike Hellens objected to the testimony of the so-called Gupta leaks by state witness Waseema Harrison. Hellens insisted that a trial within a trial be held to determine the admissibility of the Gupta leaks evidence. eNCA reporter Moloko Moloto brings us the story.
Do you swear that the evidence you're about to give will be the truth?
State witness Waseema Harrison took to the stand but did not say much beyond taking an oath. That's because one of the defense lawyers, Mike Hellens, stood up to object, saying he's aware Harrison would testify about the computer hard drive which contains emails from the so-called Gupta leaks. Hellens argued that even though the Zondo Commission of Inquiry discussed these Gupta leaks, that's not enough to make them admissible as evidence in court.
Where did the Zondo Commission get it? Is it authentic? On what basis was it ruled admissible?
The state doesn't oppose the application for a trial within a trial. The problem is that witnesses for the trial within a trial will only be available next week.
My people are trying to speak to them, secure their attendance. I'll give assurance to the court during the course of the week. It's something that was unexpected, that we try our level best to secure them. It's a hurdle that we have to jump.
Other defense lawyers expressed dissatisfaction at the fact that the state hasn't provided statements of witnesses it wants to call for the trial within a trial.
There has to come a point when the interest of justice and the interests are properly weighed up. And at this point, it appears as though the accused are at the wrong end of that balance. And I would like the court to take heed of that.
While the trial within the trial to determine the admissibility of the leaked emails of the fugitive Gupta brothers isn't expected to start any time before next week, the main trial will resume on Tuesday with a financial investigator from the National Prosecuting Authority set to testify on behalf of the state and will also be cross-examined. Moloko Moloto, Bloemfontein.